Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. This is Vedika, your law faculty, mentor and guide at iExamB. If you have any query relating to any government exams, you can write to us at hello@iexamb.com. You can also call us on the number which is mentioned on the screen. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get all the updated information relating to upcoming government exams. Moving on with this video, in this video we are going to discuss about IBPS SO Law Officer and we are going to analyze the previous year memory based paper. In my previous video, I have discussed few questions from the previous year paper of Mains 2020 of IBPS SO Law Officer, your professional knowledge, that is law paper. And in this video we are going to analyze that paper. We are going to understand how many questions were there from each of the act and what were the topics from which the questions were there. A small warning over here, there was a huge difference in the weightage given to the acts in Mains 2020 compared to the previous papers. You will see that in the upcoming slides. Let's have a quick look at the exam notification. The online registration is open from 3rd of November to 23rd November. The prelims exam is on 26th December and the mains exam is on 30th January. If you look at the scheme of the exam, there are two phases, prelims and mains. In prelims, you have three sections: English language, reasoning and general awareness with special reference to banking. And in mains, you have professional knowledge, that is your law. And I have discussed in detail what are the important things, important points to be kept in mind while you are preparing for these exams. The link for that video is present in the description below. You can look for the notification video and there you will get all the details. One important thing I like to mention, iExamB is running IBPS SO Foundation batch on its YouTube channel where we are conducting free sessions daily. We are providing preparation for prelims, mains, for all the six streams: IT, AFO, marketing, HR, law and Rajbhasha. So stay tuned to our channel at 11 a.m. for your prelims preparation, at 3 p.m. for your mains preparation for HR, IT and marketing, and at 7 p.m. for your mains preparation for law, AFO and Rajbhasha. In one of my previous video, I have divided the entire law syllabus in four parts and all the acts I have covered in these four parts. Part 1 are the acts which you most commonly know, which you covered in your law graduation. Then part 2 are the acts which require overview and generic knowledge for this exam. Then coming to part 3, these are the laws which require thorough reading. You might be reading them for the first time. Some of them you might have read earlier. And part 4, which is your banking laws, very important for this exam. Moving on, we will see how many questions were there in the mains 2020 paper from each of this part. Part 1, which contains the common acts, Constitution of India, civil and criminal laws and contract laws. The number of questions from this part were these. There were 10 questions from the Constitution of India, 4 from Civil Procedure Code, 2 from Indian Evidence Act, 2 from Limitation Act, 3 from Criminal Procedure Code, 3 from Indian Penal Code, 7 from Contract Act, 2 from Specific Relief Act and 1 from Transfer of Property Act. So in total from this part 1 there were 34 questions out of 60 questions. So this part 1 weighed more than 50% in the mains paper. Usually this part is near about 30 to 40%. So there is always an element of surprise in the exam. This is very different from what appeared in 2018 and 2019, where there were a lot of questions from banking laws and comparatively less questions from these laws. But yes, in 2020 there was a huge difference. Moving to part 2, where we have commercial laws and legal theory, the number of questions from Companies Act were 7, from Indian Partnership Act 2, from Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2, from Latin Terms and Maxims 1, and there were no questions from other areas from legal theory and limited liability partnership. In total, there were 12 questions from part 2. In part 3, from these acts, there were questions from some of the important areas. From Law of Torts, there were 2 questions. From Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 2 questions. 1 question from Information Technology Act, 1 question from Right to Information Act, 1 from Competition Act, 2 from SEBI laws and 2 from Hindu laws. In total, there were 11 questions from part 3. And lastly, coming to banking laws, which we say are very important for this exam, there were only 3 questions in mains 2020 from this part 4. Earlier in 2018 and 2019, there were a lot of questions from this part. So this was quite different in 2020 paper. In total, banking laws only had 3 questions. Still, this is very important for the exam, and we cannot predict from which areas more number of questions can come. So you should be comprehensively prepared for this exam. You can find the link to this memory based paper in the description below, and do attempt the memory based paper to get an understanding of the questions from which areas the questions appeared in 2020 paper. At iExamB, we provide IBPS SO online course for all these streams for IT, AFO, marketing, HR, law, and Rajbhasha. And at present, we are running a flat 40% off for the first 50 enrollments for each of the stream, and you can use the code IBPS40. Hurry up, this offer is soon going to end. If you want any guidance, enroll now in this course and get regular guidance, get performance monitoring by our experts in all the fields for your exam preparation. There is one more important information. We have just started our new batch from 8th of November, and today the third class has been conducted on Criminal Procedure Code. There has been one class on Indian Contract Act, one on Transfer of Property Act, and one on Criminal Procedure Code. These are all the acts which will be covered in the month of November. There will be total 16 lectures in the month of November. In the month of December, there will be 18 lectures, and these are all the areas which will be covered in the exam. And in the month of January, these are the remaining acts which will be discussed and covered comprehensively in the class. We will discuss the important provisions, we will take up all your doubts, and we will discuss a lot of questions. We are targeting to finish your syllabus till 15th or 20th of Jan, so that for the next 10 to 15 days we can focus exclusively on your revision and take your doubts. We will discuss a lot of questions post finishing up your syllabus. We have expert faculties for your law subject, for your professional knowledge subject. Amrita ma'am, she is a practicing advocate and she is an expert for procedural laws here. Neha Dubey ma'am, she has more than 5 years experience in law firms and she is an expert for contract laws and company laws. And Vidika ma'am, she is an ex-bank PO. She is expert for SEBI laws, banking laws, and criminal law at iExamB. So if you are stuck up, if you have any confusion, if you want any guidance, check out our course. You can find the link for the demo in the description below. For any query, you can also call us on the number mentioned on the screen. Again, I'm mentioning, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Stay updated to all the information relating to government exams. Thank you so much.